The panelists have already been introduced. A warm welcome, Sanjay ji, Mr. Senthil, Badri, Sumant, Mr. Manikandan. A warm welcome. Let's dive into their insights, experiences, and the opportunities they foresee in shaping the prop tech landscape. So, very briefly, you can describe, how do you define prop tech, and why do you think it has gained significant traction in the real estate industry over the last few years?
Yes, I agree with the fact Mr. Sanjay, Senthilvelan sir, and Hemant sir, and Manikandan sir spoke. That is true. If we don't adapt to technology, definitely we will not be in the race. So just for everybody knows, like in 2014 or 15, when we receive a lead from Suleka, it will be from an email. The reception person in the front desk, he used to validate the lead. He will call up the person who's available in the site, and then he assign. So after the internet revolution, people started using mobile phones. The lead get captured automatically using API and then transformed to the right executive. Now we are in the technology where using AI, we are capturing the lead from Facebook in 2 seconds. After pandemic, all the realtors are moving digital. They're more focused over a laser targeted digital. So when you inquire to a developer in Facebook, within 2 seconds, the lead is being captured with the AI API, and it's being validated whether it's a new lead or a duplicate lead, and whether it's been already spoken or it's a new lead. Everything is validated and assigned to the person who's in charge of the project. So within 2 seconds, all this is happening. So connecting the people is digitally evolved. So to add up what Sanjay said, India has long way to go, but I feel very proud, like we are almost there. We have come from a very long past, and we are on top of technology. Today's era, we can directly chat with our customers in WhatsApp and take their time, right time to call them and speak to them, bring them for sites. And after the site visit, we have a habit of taking a feedback. So everything is automated, and the prop tech is really evolving. So India has done a decently good job. And the 2 milestones I would say is like Geo and Internet revolution. And after that, pandemic, our entire thought process has been focused on online marketing rather than offline marketing. So definitely India is doing really well.
My next question is to Mr. Badri. Mr. Badri, how can PropTech tools help small and mid-sized real estate companies compete with the larger players? And can you share some examples from your own experience?
Definitely. The main ideology behind our software is like real estate software. So to project the brand image, for example, I have a channel partner who is having around 3 to 4 people in his office, but he is projecting himself as a big brand. For example, as soon as a lead comes from Facebook, within 2 seconds, with green tick, the WhatsApp with the project details, the project location, the executive whom the company appointed will contact you. This builds trust with the people. And the next thing, the same conversation continues in the WhatsApp. For example, thank you, Mr. Tarun Setia. We have received your inquiry. So what would be the convenient time to reach you? We book an appointment in the WhatsApp itself. So people are very, very convenient and trustably chatting in WhatsApp. The next thing is like when you fix up a time, automatically our tech connects you and the customer. So records the conversation and fixes up the next course of action. So this builds trust with the people. Even a small developer or even small channel partner or even a small broker who is having 2-3 people can present himself like a trusted, reputed brand. That's where we are focusing on small, medium and micro businesses to be shown as a brand. So moreover, to answer the question Mr. Hemant sir told, like yes, there are few data compromises that comes on experience. For example, we are a UK-based company where we have around 25 years of experience in managing data. For example, if we have hosted a server in Asia's safest data center. For example, Yota, Hiranandani's Yota is the #1 safest tier 4 data center. And the technology, what we use is enterprise grade. And we often keep ourselves aligned with the core security features, which are like banking level security. And we are the only CRM provider who provides NDA agreement to all the clients. So that's why we are in the industry for 12 years. Even developers, few people cross-check their data. For example, Mr. Abhishek Mehta, who is an Urban Tree owner, called once and appreciated us. Like he often cross-check few personal numbers along with us and ensure whether it is not breached and ensure it is up to his mark. So he appreciated us. Like that, there are security measures that comes with our experience, and definitely Hemant sir said, I would be raising my first hand to partner with NAR in terms of as a technology partner. And definitely to people thinking like when you invest in technology, it's like an expensive. Honestly speaking, I want to change the entire perspective. When you invest in technology, it will save you cost. For example, if you don't have a CRM, any CRM, not ours, if you don't have a CRM, you're receiving monthly 200, 300 leads. If you don't know what's happening to those leads, the loss will be bigger than what you invest on technology. So the people who are really working with you can be more efficient. If you help the team whom you have, they will be able to show wonderful results. And for example, if you have any CRM, you can look back the data and any developer or broker, your contacts or your assets. So you have to, entire contacts has to be in the CRM, and not for this project and new project, you can pitch for them and they will be able to buy comfortably with you.